Multiple alleles. So what are multiple alleles? Multiple alleles is when two or more alleles can code for one gene. Thus the definition says when three or more alleles of a gene are located on the same locus of a chromosome, or its homologue responsible for a single characteristic, they are known as multiple alleles. Some of the characteristics of multiple allelism are that they arise due to mutation of genes in wild type, and can express different alternatives of a single trait. They may show codominance, incomplete dominance, or dominant recessive behavior among themselves, and they also confirm Mendel's principles of inheritance. To understand multiple alleles, let's take the first example of blood group in man. In man, 4 types of blood group are found, that is A, B, O and AB, out of which the blood groups A, B, and O were discovered by Landsteiner in 1907. And blood group AB was discovered by Costello and Steine in 1902, while Landsteiner and Weiner together discovered the Rh factor. These blood group are controlled by a gene, I, which has 3 alleles, A, B, and O. These letters refer to a glycoprotein substance called an antigen, and these are present on the plasma membrane of the RBCs. These antigens protrude out from the surface, and the kind of sugar produced in them is controlled by the gene, I. People with blood group A produce A antigen. Those with blood group B produce B antigen. Those with blood group AB produce both A and B antigens, and those with blood group O produce no antigen. As humans are diploid organisms, any person possesses 2 of these 3 I gene alleles. People having blood group A can have 2 genotypes. That is, they either have the alleles as AA or as AO. As O produces no antigen, the blood group still remains A. Similarly, people with blood group B can also have 2 genotypes, that is, they either have alleles as BB or as BO. Unlike blood groups A and B, people with blood group AB have only one genotype, that is AB. Here the alleles A and B are equally dominant or codominant and do not interfere with the expression of each other. But they are completely dominant over the allele O. While people with blood group O have only one genotype, that is OO. Thus 6 different genotypes can produce 4 different phenotypes, which shows 2 or more alleles are coding for one gene. The other example of multiple alleles is seen in wing pattern of Drosophila. In a fruit fly named Drosophila melanogaster, different wing patterns are known. This is due to multiple alleles of the gene VG. This gene produces abnormalities from normal wings to no wings. In these flies, VG plus denotes normal wings, VGNI denotes nicked wings, VGNO refers notched wings, VGSD denotes strap wings, and VG denotes vestigial wings. To know more about post-Mendelian genetics, watch videos on incomplete dominance and codominance. Links are available in the description box below.